Hello humans, I'm Cross-Eyed Cyclops, and I have an exciting video for you today. I'm going to build a computer. This is my first computer video, so if something is missing, just bear with me. Jumping right into it, I have a Republic of Gamer Crosshair 7 Hero motherboard with an AM4 socket, which complements our Ryzen 7 2700X. For our memory, we have a 970 EVO, that's 250 gigabytes. We're going to use that for our operating system. We have another 970 EVO, that's 2 terabytes, which we're going to use for other storage. For our power supply, we have an EVGA 1000 GQ, which is 80 plus gold rated. For our RAM, we have 8x4 G-Skill Trident Z RGB kit, which is, again, more than we really need, but I'm going all out with this one, or all out for me. Definitely the star of the show is going to be our GeForce RTX 2080 Ti, which is the Founders Edition version. Right now I'm running a Radeon 480, so it's a definite upgrade. I'm really excited to use it for gaming and whatever else you can use a 2080 Ti for. I'm using a Thermaltake P90 T6 Edition case. I saw this case on Amazon and I fell in love with it immediately, so I just had to buy it. I'm also going to use a EKWB liquid cooling kit, which I did not mention before, but I am going to be overclocking the CPU, and a liquid cooling kit will definitely benefit me. Because this is a new build, we're also using a new keyboard, new mouse, like new peripherals. So for the keyboard, I have a Corsair Gaming K70 rapid fire keyboard, which also uses the Cherry MX Red switches, so it won't have that tactile bump. It's just gonna have a smooth press. In my last computer build, I used a Razer Death Adder Elite mouse. I felt comfortable with it before and I didn't feel a need to change it up because it was so nice. That's basically it for the parts listing, so let's get right into the build. Alright, so that's the build. That's exactly what I wanted to show you. You probably noticed at least a few things though. I didn't take the plastic off of the glass. And I'm not going to do that because I don't think I'm done. And second, I did not actually water cool it. I actually wound up running out of time. So I'm going to actually save that one for a different video. Hopefully I'm actually able to finish that this week. I'm really excited to do it. It's my first one. Also, I'd like to know if anybody's used this case before. There wasn't a whole lot of information online, so I'd be curious to see what you guys have built. So let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye. Yes, it's gonna be smooth. It's gonna be smooth. And have an audible click or a tactile bump. One more thing. Toss me a like if I taught you something or you just enjoyed watching. Also, subscribe so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Alright? For real though.